Welcome. In this tutorial, we're just going to have a quick overview of the toolbox. Your toolbox is found on the top left corner in the wrench and the screwdriver. Click it to open. You'll see all of the tools listed here. Your layering maps is now in here. You also have the auto territory builder within here. So all of your tools in here. Click on any tool to get to that tool. And then to switch tools, you simply click on the little arrow and then you can choose a different tool at any time. You can close the tool from here and reopen it simply by clicking on it again. We've also taken the hide map markers and we have combined it for all tools. You can use it at any time, and that's right down here. Simply flip the switch to hide them, flip it back to see them. And that's it for your toolbox overview. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.